Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 20. Today our objective is solve, take from, with, result, unknown expressions and equations using the minus sign with no unknown. So again, I've noticed these words, we've got minus, take away when we've got some X's on our pictures, and figuring out how many do we have left. Let's get started. All right, let's draw some monkeys from yesterday's story where we were talking about the monkeys on the bed. Now, I don't want a blue monkey, a brown monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we draw the 5 group way and we start with 5 on the top, nice and neat in a row. It's your job to decide how many monkeys fell off the bed. We started with 5, and how many are you going to take away? Good. You could take away 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take away 3. 3 monkeys fell off the bed. I'm going to write that sentence to match. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Great job. See if you can tell the story on your own using your picture and your number sentence. Once upon a time, there were 5 monkeys. 3 fell off the bed and 2 were left. Good. All right. This is the vocabulary that we have been working on. So we're working on subtraction. We've met Linus the minus, and he is that subtraction symbol right here called the minus sign. And we have also heard the phrases how many left and take 1 away. So make sure you're listening out for those during our stories today. All right, so this is a game that you can play at home with any objects or cubes. If you have some objects, show them to your partner. Show them how many you have. So today we're starting with 5. Hide some of those cubes behind your back. And ask them how many are behind your back. So let's figure out how many Miss Plitt just hid from you. So I'm showing you 3, which means how many are behind my back to make 5. Yes, 3 and 2 makes 5. So that's how many I put behind my back. I put 2 behind my back. Let's take a look at this story sentence up here. So we can write our equation for that. I started with 5 blocks. I hid 2 from you. And that left you with the 3 that you could see. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Good job. You can keep playing that game with a friend. And first, like I said, remember to show them how many you're starting with, and then they can try and figure out how many are behind your back. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Let's draw some circles for our story. Remember in math class, we just draw some quick circles so that we can learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to take away 4 circles on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, your board should look like mine. 5 circles, 4 of them crossed out. Now, to write our number sentence, we need to start with how many we had all together. Yes, even counting the ones that have an X on them, we need to count those because we started with them before they were taken away. So all together, we have 5. Now count how many did we take away? Well, the ones with X's. 4 equals how many are left? 1. Good job. 5 take away 4 equals 1. Great job, friends. All right, today we're going to do a problem at the playground. So at the playground, there are 5 students on the sliding board. Oh my goodness, we know that only one friend goes down the slide, but in our story, there's 5 friends on the slide and 2 friends over here on the swing. Now, let's try and figure out what happened during our story so we can write a number sentence. Altogether, how many friends are at the playground right now? Oh, that's a good idea. Let's count on 5, 6, 7. Great job. 7. Now let's listen for how many friends left the playground. So it was a really hot day at the playground, and the swing friends were working so hard. They got so hot and tired, they went home. So how can we fill in this sentence? 7 take away 2, good job, the 2 friends that went home on the slide, equals 5. 5 left on the slide. Good. So 7 take away the 2 friends that were on the swings equals 5 friends left on the slides. Well done. We can also use our fingers to show that. 7 take away 2 equals 5. All right, friends, let's take a look at our problem set. For today, we need to make sure that our picture matches the number sentence. So let's read the number sentence to figure out what we need to do. 6 take away 1 equals 5. Now let's look at these bears up here. They all look happy. None of them are crossed out. But this story, this sentence says to take away 1. So good job. Let's cross off 1 teddy bear. Good. Now let's see if it matches. We have 6. Take away 1. We're left with 5 teddy bears. Great job. One more, friends. Over here with our teddy bears, how many do we need to take away? 2. Good. And if we take away 2, then we're making sure that this picture matches this number sentence. Great job. All right. See if you can solve my train problem. 1 train drove away. How many were left? What is the subtraction problem? Good. 5 trains altogether. Take away 1 equals 4. Great work, friends. Thanks for joining me.